Alright, so we're here with I Waata. I Waata, first of all, congrats boss. The performance, mad.
Alright, no, we can't drop the yard, you know. Is it me say?
Alright, so we're here with I Waata. I Waata, first of all, congrats boss. The performance, mad. No, I Waata, them never expect that from you. You see, they never expect that one.
What going on? Good night, my people.
So, tell us a little about the performance and, just the whole meds tonight.
Well, you don't know, different crowd, different style, different song for different audience, though.
Yeah.
Them not knowing about we know a long time. I just show them what I go on, because time for them to say, though. Pandemic forward out and slow up all the thing. The road open now, so I give them it. Oh, them forget it now, though.
Yes, sir. So in terms of your versatility, though, I Waata, because I know people never realize the levels. And I want to admit it, me myself, I was surprised tonight because I say, when we look on the lineup, Dean Fraser, Ken Booth, and then the youngster I Waata and the team now. So, how you feel about even lining up with them heavyweights, them veterans there?
It's a tremendous feeling, you see it? New wave, new year, new gear, you see it?
Yeah.
As I say, we can adjust to any limit out there, you see me? From the concert music, we're there, 1000%, you see it? Yeah, man, that I play on.
And is your first time doing an acoustic performance?
And there's a first acoustic, but we perform on a whole heap of bands already.
Right.
It's similar, just drum not there, more while 2 player, 3 player.
Yeah.
As I say, we know the thing.
Yeah.
You see me on a hype thing, but we know music on a level. I just know certain thing I reveal, is it?
Yes, sir. Music now, the dancehall music. One thing where you like about it and one thing where you don't like about it, you could have changed.
No, man, I love everything about music.
Everything about the music.
I don't complain about music.
Alright, so if you had the chance to change anything, any aspect of it?
No, I'm not change, I just time and things take place.
Time and things.
Yeah. And not change, we not try to change. I add we have to add on, because remember say big guys them do it already.
Right.
So anything we do, we call it new, but add we add on to we do already.
Alright.
You see me I say?
Alright.
Yeah, so we have to heal them up and big them up, though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I Waata, respect.
Next Friday, from them this one, try know you this hand. Every link stand, know the style, know the play. Boom.
My name is Jody, affectionately known as Jody the Island Girl. Welcome to Thursday Night Live.
Again, my name is Shanice Sewell. I hail from the parish of St. Thomas.
It's all about the man, Dean Fraser. Get up, Johnny, get them up, get them up.